You guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. I'm so happy to finally be posting a video again. I've been sick for what feels like forever. I'm finally over it, so I'm able to speak now. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. I'm just priming my eyes with some concealer, picking up the shade Orange Soda from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and this shade is going on a fluffy brush and into the crease and blending it up towards the eyebrow. I know I use this palette a lot. I'm sorry. I'm going to do a colorful look hopefully for the next video. Then I wanted to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and pick up that darker orange shade on the same brush, and I'm just patting this into the crease, and then I'm going to go back in and blend it up towards the shade we used previously. And I'm layering each of these shades quite a few times. You're only going to see me do it once, but I ended up using each color and layering it probably about 2 to 3 times. So again, just making sure everything is super blended. We don't want any harsh lines, especially for this type of look. I'm going back into the same palette, picking up the color Rustic on a smaller brush, and I'm patting that right into the crease. I'm going to blend it out and basically trying to keep this in the same area, but of course making sure everything is blended together and has a nice gradient effect. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Black Bean as a base for the black eyeshadow. So I'm taking this, just dabbing it on the eyelid and blending it out with a brush. This particular product was a little bit oily and slippery even after I set it with the black eyeshadow. So I don't know if it was the product. No, I know it was the product. I should have used just like a regular gel eyeliner or a different type of base. Anyways, you're going to take a black eyeshadow after that and place it right on top. I wouldn't bring it over the crease at all. Just kind of keep it on your lid, but make sure, of course, everything is blended and there's no harsh lines. Alright, so I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown primer. It's called the Primer Plus Radiance. It's so nice underneath foundation. It also has SPF 35 in it, which I really like when my foundation or primer has SPF. So next I'm going in with the Born This Way foundation and mixing it with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This has been my favorite foundation combo lately. So I'm mixing that on the back of my hand and then taking this stippling foundation brush and starting off with that, just kind of pushing it into the skin, and then going back in with a beauty blender later on to just kind of pick up any excess product. So for bronzer, I'm taking Do the Hula by Benefit, and if you've watched my previous videos, you've already seen me do this 1,005 times, but I'm just dabbing this in the hollows of my cheeks, or at least where I wish I had hollows of my cheeks, so I had cheekbones on this really small brush, and just kind of carving that out so it looks like I have more structure to my really round face. This is the concealer you need if you have dry AF skin like me. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's pretty cheap. How much was this? I don't know, less than $10, but it's so nice. I feel like the coverage is really good and the finish it gives is perfect. And like I said, perfect for dry skin as well. It doesn't settle in fine lines or anything. So we're putting this under the eyes to brighten up that area, and then a little bit on the nose as well. To set the concealer, I'm taking the Hourglass translucent powder on my damp beauty blender, and this is going on top of wherever we just put the concealer, and then I'm not going to leave that on very long. I'm going to wipe that away fairly quickly just with a brush. Alright, and this is the part of the video where I have to apologize if you hear people yelling in the background, because the boys in my house are playing Nintendo Switch, and they're fairly loud. Anyways, we're going to move on to a bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I believe, and this is just going everywhere where we put the liquid bronzer before. So just around the cheekbones, a little bit on the nose, just all around the perimeters of your face, because when we put on the concealer and the powder, I feel like we kind of lose some of that color. For highlighter, this is the NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. I'm just taking the dropper and putting a few dots where I want to highlight, so the high points of your cheeks. It's also going to go on the nose and a little bit on the Cupid's bow. I feel like I can't think because they're yelling right outside the door. No, I feel like you can really build up this highlighter to make it really dramatic, or you can do what I did and just kind of do a few dots, just one layer, and just blend it in with your fingers, and it's fairly natural, but still, you know, blinding and out there.
Looks like Anastasia.
Thank you.
It's not the same.
I said it kind of looks the same.
She looks the same.
Jay! Are you okay, honey?
Ow.
Sorry. That's my backlight.
Ow.
Thought I would leave that in there. He's all nice trying to get my highlighter palette for me, and then he just falls and I laugh. But, you know, that's fine. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Crushed Pearl Highlighter. Basically the only one that I use. For blush, I'm going in with the Milani. Ooh, what color is this? I feel like I always forget, you guys. But any color from the Milani line in blush is absolutely perfect. I think this blush like won awards. Anyways, we're moving on back to eyes. I'm putting in some... Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't speak today. Eyeliner. I'm putting eyeliner in the lower lash line. This is going to make our eyes look really like, ooh, sultry. I don't know. And then basically whatever we did to the top lid is what we're going to do to the bottom lid. Oh my god, the bottom lid? The bottom... I can't. The bottom lash line, okay? You saw, you know what I did. You know what's up. Anyway. Going on to the Hourglass mascara. This has been my favorite. Thanks, Mom, for getting me this little trial for Christmas. So with looks like these, actually I lied, with any look, I love to make my lower lashes super dramatic, super long. I'm trying to make it a thing. So yeah, let's get these bottom lashes out there. Onto lips. This is the NYX lip pencil in the color Sandstorm, and then on top of that I'm going to go in with the NYX soft matte lip cream in the color London. You guys already know I love NYX lip products. They're my favorite ones. They're so comfortable to use and they last for so long. After that, I think that's going to be the completed look. I wore this look out for mine and Jason's 7th year anniversary. Can I get a whoop whoop? Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.